Hi guys, it's Nikki and Watson, and we are here because it is Stitch Fix Day, and I know it has been, excuse you, I know it's been quite a while actually since I've been on here. Life has been crazy busy. So today I am opening my Stitch Fix. It is a cloudy, rainy day now, although it was a beautiful day yesterday. So I'm just going to jump right in. For those of you who have not watched my previous videos, I am Nikki and this is Watson, and we do unboxings and try-ons for Stitch Fix. I've done them for a couple of other companies as well, but mainly focused on Stitch Fix. So I'm going to jump right in. I used to be a stylist. I no longer style, but I still support the company. Okay, so I am going to jump right in on the items, and then we'll do talk about the prices and things afterwards. Okay, so I did peek. So I've seen these things online. So, ooh, okay, pretty sure that's a makeup stain. But anyway, this is an off-the-shoulder shirt with lemons on it by Skies Are Blue, and it is called the Poppy Off-the-Shoulder Top. So that's what it's called. Next item here, okay, this is this dress I saw. This is by Madewell, Dixie Smocked Dress. Okay, so this is in a navy blue color. It is completely smocked and has the solid navy skirt. It is a heavy, almost knit, I don't know, it's a really heavy material. So I will try this one on as well, but this is probably, I do believe I wore this when I was a small child, and so who knows, because you never know. You just never know. So I did ask for a pair of dark wash jeans, and these are by Just Black. They're an uneven frayed hem. I don't know if you can see that, so it's got the uneven frayed hem, and yeah, I'll tell you the exact name, or we'll throw it up here on the side when I published this, but so I'm going to try these on. They look a little short to me, actually. They're called like a capri. No, but this was sent in a petite size, so we will see what those look like, but they look a little short. Next item in here is a cardigan. This is by Market & Spruce. It's called the Zania Cotton Duster Cardigan. So it's really, really lightweight. And you can kind of see the different knits and patterns. So it's just basically stripes. It does have this kind of collar. I don't know. I will try this on. I do like, I'm sure I've said this a million times, but I do like the longer cardigans. Like, I will try this on, but this is kind of, it looks like just that mid-length for me, where I either like it all the way to the ground or a little bit shorter. But I want these lightweight cardigans because I do wear them quite a bit in the summer since the temperatures vary wildly. Oh, and I see it is pouring rain outside now. Okay, so this is a funny one, I'm sure. But I actually, when I looked at my fix, or when I peeked, I saw this and I thought it was the thing I'd like the most, sadly. So this is by Love Always, and is the Dylan Cowl Neck Drawstring Pullover in gray. And it is a sweater. It is a straight up sweater with the cowl neck, if you can see it, gray. But yeah, I asked for a warmer sweater because it gets cold when we go to our cabin, or it just gets cold in general. Yay. All right, so anyway, what I was saying is what we're going to do is I'm going to try all of these items of clothing on, and I will show them to you, and then we'll come back afterwards and do a wrap-up. I'm sorry they can't see me. My 157-pound dog is in the way. Watsy, could you move? Come here. Come over here. Good boy. I'll move this box. Sorry. There. Okay, so I'm going to go try the clothes on, and I will be back. Okay, so this is obviously the off-the-shoulder top, and it has, like this shirt, surprisingly, because I am not someone that really likes a lot of prints and conversational prints, I believe they're called. But I like the yellow. It's really bright and sunny, and maybe it's because it's so dark outside right now, but I really do like the color. It's comfortable. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but you've seen a couple of off-the-shoulder tops that I've received recently, and I'm pretty much to the end of my patience with off-the-shoulder tops, but I actually really do like this one. I feel like it's easier to move in, but I'm going to consider this one because I have kept several that I have not yet worn. So the battery is going dead, and I will be back. Okay, so here is the dress, and it is very comfortable, I will say. Like I said, it's basically just smock material. I should have changed my bra, but I'm not going to. It is whatever you call this. What do you call it? It is that here, and then this is how it looks in the back. There's a couple of things I do like about this. Number one, I would wear a different bra, but you can wear a bra with this. That's excellent. And the color. I think the color is really pretty. And it actually has, sorry. Okay, it looks like it's like red, orange, and yellow stripes. You can see that. I do not like coming up that close. But okay, so anyway, it's almost patriotic for the holiday coming very shortly. So I think it's really cute. This is what it looks like. I just am not, I don't think this is necessarily my style. Again, it's very comfortable. And then the only other thing I'll say is it's a fairly heavy material. I don't know how to describe it, but it's a heavy material. And I don't mind that because I like, you know, it's just if I'm going to wear a dress like this, I probably am going to wear it because it's so hot out. And this is kind of a heavy material for that. So anyway, this is what it looks like. And I think it's really pretty, but I'm not sure it's my style. Okay, so I'm not recommending wearing these shoes. It's just when I'm in my closet, they kind of matched it. So, first of all, these are the jeans by Just Black. They're high-rise. Can't see it from here. The uneven frayed hem. They are petite, so they are a little shorter on me, but sometimes it's hard to tell if these should fit similarly to this on someone who's a little bit taller. So, I'm right at that petite, non-petite size. So I might see if I can exchange these for a non-petite, but anyway, that's what they look like. And then of course this is the cardigan, which is by Market and Spruce. This one has kind of the open stitching on the sleeves, and then it's more solid on the shoulders and back. Very lightweight, kind of the longer cuff there. I do love the color of this. This is one of my favorite colors. My only issue is, like I said, it's a little longer on me than I like, and I don't know, I'm not sure about this one, but anyway, this is what they both look like, and I would love your feedback actually. Okay, so I did not change the jeans, but I would not be wearing this with these, especially since they're more of a capri style. But this is the sweater, and it's really cute. It's so funny. It's heavy, it's thick. It is a sweater. It's not a sweatshirt, or it feels like a sweater to me. So it has this kind of cowl neck with the tie. That's how it goes, and it is cropped. So I will show you without my t-shirt here how short it would be. But yeah, so I think it's cute and comfortable, and I probably will keep this because I can always use sweaters, and this is a slightly different gray sweater than the other gray sweaters I have, which are many. So, and then I guess, yeah, last question. What do you guys think of the uneven frayed hem in general? What do you think of it? To me, if I like the style of the jeans themselves, I think I can deal with it, but I'm not certain here. I feel like they're just a little too short. But anyway, this is what I have. I will come back, sit down, tell you the prices, and tell you what I'm thinking of doing. So we lost Watson because, well, the battery had to recharge, and then he was hungry, so he's eating right now. So I had some time to try on this cardigan with just a necklace and some jeans that I'd probably wear with it, and I really like it. So FYI, I'm planning on possibly keeping the cardigan. In the future, I could possibly fall in love with this cardigan. Sometime in the future, I would have the ability to possibly fall in love with this cardigan. Sorry, that's a bachelor joke. for those of you who are not aware. Okay, so first of all, I haven't said this before, but Stitch Fix does always include a postage paid envelope if you want to return or exchange anything, so I really love that. And then we're going to go through the prices, and I will tell you what I think. And then also, I don't know if I did this already or not, but the person who styled me, her name is Erin. I think that is a new stylist this time. Okay, so we will start right off the bat with, of course, the thing that is farthest away. This is the Love Always Dylan Cowl Neck Drawstring Sweater. This one is $44. It's really heavyweight and cozy, and sadly, I probably will keep it, even though most people think I'm crazy buying this in July. It is not very warm in Minnesota very frequently, at least recently, okay? So let's just be honest. Let's not lie to ourselves anymore about there being a summer. And I say that, and now I know it is 90 degrees out right now, so anyway. I could go on and on about the weather. So old now. Okay, this is the Skies Are Blue Peppy off the shoulder, or is it Poppy? It's peppy. It really is peppy. And I think I said poppy before, but anyway, it's peppy off the shoulder top. This one surprised me a little bit. I really do like it. It's comfortable. The lemons are, the color is really pretty. Like I said, it may be just because it's so dark out right now. But I really have to think this one over because just, again, how frequently I have a couple of different off the shoulder tops. And when I go out, when I choose to wear one, I usually regret it. And I'm just being honest, because whenever you move, it's just, and I know there's ways to keep your shoulders down with possible tricks online, but I don't have time for any of these things. Okay, anyway, it's my own fault, right? Because if it was an important enough issue, I would fix it. Why? Okay, so anyway, this one is $48. So this is a possibility for me, but I would love your feedback and then just general opinions of off-the-shoulder style and complexities related. Okay, the next thing is this duster cardigan I have on, and this is by Market & Spruce. It's called the Zoe Duster Cardigan, an off-white, extra small, $64. So I was hoping it would be a little less expensive because it is really, really lightweight. But I have a gray one right now and another color that I am using all the time. So I think I would use this. Okay, so on to the next item here. This is this dress is navy, and it is made by Madewell. It's called the Dixie Smocked Dress. So smocked is the word I was struggling to find during the try-on. And this one is size small, and it's $88. So I think it fit well, and I think the color is really pretty. It's not totally my style, and like I said, the heavier material and the price, just because I don't wear dresses very frequently. So probably not on this one, but if you like this style, it's a very cute dress. And then last but not least are these Just Black. They're called the Kaya High Rise Uneven Fray Hem Longest Name Skinny Jeans in indigo. These are a zero petite, but yeah, I think they're too short, and they are $88. And so I don't know, I just feel like I don't love them enough for me to pay $88 for them right now, because they're something I would wear once in a while. I don't know if you're following me. Anyway, so that's everything here. So the total came to $332 for the whole box. And then if you buy all discount of $83, it would be $249 if I were to keep everything. I know I'm not going to do that, but the things I'm considering are the gray sweater, this duster cardigan. I know it's July tomorrow. And possibly that off-the-shoulder top, possibly. So give me your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. I know it had been a while since I've been out here doing this, and so I will try to do these more frequently again. And if you have any feedback or suggestions, I'd love to answer your questions. And again, I hope you have a great week. Talk to you soon.